Yes. You're welcome back to KS Digital Concept. Um, Today I'll be taking you through on whose coin to trust wallet teaching. So in this teaching, you're going to get how to add whose coin to your trust wallet, how to place buy order on trust wallet with whose coin, that is buying whose coin from trust wallet, selling how to place sell order in trust wallet using Hosecoin as a point of contact to other ones. Okay, so just stick with us here at KS Digital Concept when I take you through. So first of all, if you haven't partake in my channel before, this is my channel KS Digital Concept. Make sure you subscribe, click on notification button so that you get updates on any video that I will release. Okay, you'll be among the first people to get notifications concerning those videos. So now, as I move on to the next place, which is me going to my the first thing you have to do for this successful transaction. First of all, you have to get the contract address of the particular token you want to add to your trust wallet. So now we're going to move to get our our Hosecoin contact address. Once we get our Hosecoin contact address, we will go to trust wallet and add it to our trust wallet. Okay, I promise I will not take much time on this project, on this teaching. So you're going to is to be short and um, so brief and authentic. So let's get the contract address quickly. Let's get the contract address quickly. So this is the contract address here. So I have to copy it. I've copied it now, so I have to copy it. Then we go to Trust Wallet. We now move to Trust Wallet. So let's get to Trust Wallet. So this is Trust Wallet. It's opening. I don't know. Let me just open it afresh. Wallet. Okay. So this is my Trust Wallet. So you click in this place. Do you see this two hammer here? Just click on it. Okay, once you click on it, it will ask you. You scroll down, you see add new token, add custom token. So you tap on add custom token. You click on the network, change it to smart chain. So once you change it to smart chain, it will ask you to paste the next one. After the network, you will see the next one, contract address. You see paste, just tap on that paste, then name, symbol, decimal will automatically appear. So you see upward, you see done. Click on that done. You see Hosecoin Pep 20 is successfully added to your account. Okay, so now you see we have successfully added Hosecoin to our account. So the next step is, after you have added this, how can one buy this Hosecoin here on Trust Wallet? Okay, so that is where we are heading to the second segment of what we are doing right now. So you see how to place buy order on Trust Wallet with Hosecoin, how to place sell order. So we're going to buy and we're going to see how to sell too. So we have done the first one. So we are moving to the second one right now. So let's get there. Let's get there. Let me close this so you'll be able to see what I'm doing. So this is our host coin below. Host coin is below. So you click on this dApp. After your wallet, you see the app. dApp is called dApp. So you click on dApp. Once you click on dApp, you scroll down. Once you scroll down, you see Pancake Swap. Click on Pancake Swap. Then it will ask you to connect your wallet for the first time. Connect your wallet if your own is not yet connected, okay? So connect your wallet. So the first one is showing you where you have money. You have money, but before you do this, I forgot to let you know. Make sure you have BNB in your account. If you don't have, you contact us. We sell to you BNB. Okay? Make sure you have BNB on your account before you start on this journey. So the first one is where you are swapping from. That is where you have the money for you to buy from. So you have the money from BNB area. So you are buying from BNB area. Then what you are receiving is the below. You see this cake. Assuming you are buying this, you are using this BNB to buy this cake. You type how many BNB you want to spend for this cake. Okay? So, but that is not what we want. What we want is Hosecoin. So let's now, because uh, I need to put up, once you click on this second one, you see search name or paste address. So that contract address you copy before, you paste it. Do you see it here? I have added this one before on my phone. So if your phone haven't gotten it for the first time, it will ask you to confirm. You click accept. That is, you activate that token for it to be added. But for the fact that I've added it here first, it's telling me just to select. Okay, so that is how to add your how add this contract to get the coin in your swapping coin swapping area, in a pancake swapping area. Okay, so now I want to get you can put how many BNB you want to spend for this, or you put how many host coin you want to get. Then it will reflect the quantity of BNB that it will cost you. So um, let me just get 50 host coin. So 50 host coin, I will spend 0.0. Oh my god. Okay, yes. I will spend 0.0615. So this is what I'm going to spend for me to get 50 host coin. Uh, um so for the training sake, so let me just get uh, 30 host coin, because I'm going to teach you other things. Okay, let me get 30 host coin. So this is 30 host coin. I want to get 30 host coin here, and I will pay 0.003612. Okay, let me make it 31. Let me just I just want to make it 31 so that when I do what I want to do, it will not interfere. What I need is 30 host coin. So, but there is one thing I want to do. That is why I just put it that way. So once you do it, once you put the quantity of host coin you want, or how many BNB you want to spend, okay, you will see swap. You tap on swap. It will ask you to confirm swap. you confirm your swap, it will process. So I approve. I approve my transaction. You close. So you just wait a bit. You see your transaction will be successful here. You see it. I have gotten my host coin. So let me now close this page. Go to my wallet. Um, Refresh. Do you see it? I have refreshed my page. Do you see? This is Hosecoin. Can you see that my Hosecoin is now here? Have you? My Hosecoin is now here. So if you want to sell this Hosecoin, you also go back to that particular place again. Then then you choose the first one now. The first one now will now be Hosecoin. This first one will now be Hosecoin. You can just type host. Sorry, just type host. Okay, it's here already. So you just type host. Do you see host? Then the second one, you want it to be back to BNB. So you type. So it asks you how many quantity do you want to sell. Let's assume that I want to sell 30. So this, first of all, for the first time, I have to enable host. They will charge me like 15, 10 to 15 uh, um, 10 to 15 cents for the enabling of host. So once you enable it, this swap will be activated. This is what I'm going to get. Do you see it? I spent 0.03, but if I added my charges, I haven't made any profit yet. So when your money have grown, when you leave your money, or when you are sure that you have made profit from the market, you want to swap and sell off. So this is how you are going to do it. Once you click on this enable, and for the first time it is you enable, then subsequently transactions, you don't need to click enable. Just what you are going to see is swap, and your transaction will go through. You confirm and your transaction will go through. Thank you so much. This is how to buy, how to add Hosecoin to your Trust wallet, how to place order of buy, how to place order of sell on your Pancake Swap using Hosecoin as the case study here. So I believe by now you can now be able to buy your Hosecoin, sell your Hosecoin when you have made profit, and you can also hold your Hosecoin when the price increase in value the more. You do what? You make more profit, okay, by selling it off then. So a lot of other videos will be coming up this week. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you click on notification, make sure you stick to this channel, because a lot of kudos is coming up, okay? So make sure you subscribe. This is the channel. You can search it. Just you can go to your browser, type KS Digital Concept or www.youtube.com. Then you put slash, you put this KS Digital Concept together. Search, it will take you to this channel direct. Okay, so thank you so much. I love you all. Love you all. A lot of other videos is going to be coming up on how to do a lot of other things. So I will take you through and make sure that you get everything done perfectly. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.